Are you tired of the same old mundane meal options? Get ready to elevate your culinary experience with a delightful array of delicious and easy-to-make recipes that will leave you craving for more. Believe me, once you try these recipes, you won't be satisfied with your usual meals anymore. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. The first meal that we have for you is zucchini soup. Zucchini soup is perfect choice for cooler weather. It's creamy, flavorful and comforting. To make this soup you will need 1 kg of green or yellow zucchini, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 small piece of fresh fennel, 2 deciliters of cooking cream, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of ground red pepper, 1 liter of chicken broth, 1.5 liters of water, and salt and pepper to taste. Start by peeling the zucchini and cut into large cubes. Chop the onion coarsely. Peel and grate the garlic coarsely. Cut the fennel into large rings. Then put olive oil in large pot, heat to medium temperature and add onion and fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add garlic, zucchini, fennel and mix and add water. Next, add all the spices such as turmeric, curry, ginger, cumin, red pepper, salt, pepper, and increase the temperature and let the ingredients cook in the pot for about 15 minutes until the zucchini are soft. Now mix all the ingredients with a stick mixer and add the cream and mix again a little. And your soup is ready to be served. Moving on, we have French onion soup. This classic French soup is perfect for an easy chilly night. You will need the following ingredients: 3 large red onions, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 liter of soup base, 4 slices of French bread, half deciliter of white wine, 1 teaspoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of Gruyere cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. Start by cutting the onion in half and into leaves. Heat the soup base in a pot and grate the cheese. Then in a large pot, heat the olive oil at a low temperature, add the butter, and when it's heated, add the onion, mix and add salt. Cover the pot and simmer or cook at a low temperature for about 5 minutes. With this we caramelize the onion so it becomes soft. Then remove the lid, increase the temperature to fry the onion a little more, about 3 to 5 minutes, and then add 1 teaspoon of flour and mix. Next, add the soup base by slowly adding sugar, cumin, pepper, wine, salt, and cook for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. When the soup is cooked, it's ready to be served on a plate. And if you like, you can further blend the soup with a stick blender. Furthermore, you can cut the bread into cubes before serving and fry them in a pan until golden brown. Sprinkle the toast bread and grated cheese on the served onion soup. And your meal is now ready to be served. Our last recipe that we have for you is beef and barley soup. It's comforting and perfect for cooler weather. For this recipe you will need 500 grams of beef, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 piece of chopped onion, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 piece of carrot cut into rings, 1 piece of celery stalks and leaves chopped, 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, 2 bay leaves, 1 liter of beef broth, 1 handful of barley, and salt and pepper to taste. To start, pour the olive oil into the pot, and when it's heated up to higher temperature, add the sliced meat and fry for 2 minutes. Next, add onions, carrots, celery, and fry for 2 minutes, then add garlic and fry for another 1 minute. Now add the beef broth, barley, thyme, bay leaves, salt and pepper. Cover the pot and cook at a low temperature until the meat is soft and barley is cooked. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a delicious dish. Also make sure to explore our channel for more exciting videos. For wholesome meals to irresistible desserts, we have something to suit every taste. Stay tuned for our next video filled with more culinary delights. Happy cooking, take care, and see you soon. Goodbye.